Every day starts with the same glow. The phone lights up and the world instantly feels secondary. Hours vanish into feeds engineered to keep the brain hooked, each swipe releasing dopamine that real life can't even begin to compete with. Slowly, everything outside the screen begins to fade. Colors lose their warmth. Moments feel flat. Even silence becomes uncomfortable without constant stimulation. The world turns muted, not because it changed, but because the mind adjusted to something faster and louder, but artificial. And this dullness is the real cost we're paying, because the apps are only free when your attention isn't. Our reactions become fake. We don't realize it, but we end up faking human authenticity. But the apps won't win forever. Eventually something snaps inside of us and we decide it's time to quit. When the noise finally stops, something strange happens. The world comes slowly back into focus. Colors feel richer. Silence feels calm instead of awkward. And for the first time in a long time, your mind starts to settle. Without the constant hit of dopamine, the brain begins to reset. Small things become interesting again. Conversations feel more real. Time moves slower, but in a good way. Days start to feel like days again, not a blur of scrolling and notifications, and that's when you realize how much you were really missing. When the scrolling stops, something else returns. Presence. You start having real experiences, not just watching other people's. You start to notice details you used to miss, the texture of the world, the pace of the day, the people around you. You feel more in control, more grounded, more awake. It's not about deleting social media forever. It's about remembering what life feels like without it. So here's the challenge. Take 1 week, 7 days without the constant scrolling, 7 days without the constant noise pulling you out of your own life, because you don't realize how different you can feel until you step away long enough to notice it. Watch how your focus returns, how your sleep improves, how the world starts to gain color again, slowly at first, but then all at once. Notice how much time you suddenly have and how much of it you've been giving away for free. That's the real price. Social media feels free, but it's your attention that pays, your presence that pays, your life that pays. But the moment you take that time back, everything shifts. So try it. 7 days, no expectations, just space for your mind, your goals, and your real life. You deserve to feel alive again.